And I'm Dad. Welcome to our channel,
Best
Friends. Today we're going to show you how to change a bag on a vacuum. First I'm going to go with the bag and we'll get started.
Okay.
Alright.
Who is it?
It's me.
Mr.Dirty!
That's right, it's me, Mr. Dirty. And today I'm here to show you how to reuse the vacuum bag on this vacuum with this Mr. Dirty tape sold on various websites for 4 easy payments of $99.99. Alright, let's get started. So, we're going to take the vacuum bag and we're going to open it up and take out the vacuum. Alright, then I'm going to cut it and take out all the dust in here and then tape it up with the tape. Alright, and so we'll cut it open like this.
No.
Alright, so I finished taping the bag up. Now it's ready to go back into the vacuum. Do it up. Now, that's how we reuse the vacuum bag to get it all cleaned up. Alright? Alright, Violet. Thanks for letting me come over and show you how to do this, but now I gotta go.
Okay.
Okay, Violet, I'm back. Are you ready to change the vacuum cleaner bag?
We already did it!
You already did it? How did you already do it?
With Mr. Dirty!
Mr. Dirty, he was here?
Yes!
I missed him again?
Yep.
Oh!
Thank you for watching our channel.
Best Friends. Please like, subscribe, comment down below.
Bye.
Bye.